Hello everyone, I am super excited to announce that I am going to start a brand new in-depth Docker series on this channel. Docker has been one of the most requested topic from all of you, and finally it is happening. This course will be an in-depth Docker course where we will be starting from the very much basics and we are going all the way to the production level topics. In this Docker series, we'll cover each and everything like Docker images, Docker containers. We are even going to cover about what is Docker networking, Docker volumes, Docker compose, security, CI/CD use cases. We are even going to see real world projects. Right. So even if you're a beginner, even if you are someone who is having experience, this series will definitely help you to strengthen your foundation with Docker. New videos will be updated regularly, so make sure you just turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss out with the latest and greatest episode. Alright, and do share it with the people who would love to explore this tool, and believe me, this would be one of the best series of this channel because Docker is one of my favorite tool, right? So yeah, let's get started with this journey. I am very much excited to work and do hands-on Docker with all of you. So yeah, turn on the bell icon and see you in the course directly. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you on the very first lecture on Docker.